In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in draw.io. Start by opening draw.io in your browser and creating a new blank diagram. When you're asked where to store the file, choose the location that fits your workflow, Google Drive if you want cloud access, or your device if you prefer local storage. Confirm your choice and you'll land on a clean canvas where we'll build the mockup. On the left-hand panel, scroll to the bottom and click the option labeled More Shapes. A window will open with libraries you can turn on. Scroll down to the Networking or UI section, check the box for mockups, and click Apply. This adds a library full of ready-made interface components so you don't have to draw everything from scratch. To set up a realistic frame for your design, use the search bar at the top of the Shapes panel and type Browser or Window. Drag a browser window container onto the canvas, resize it to the proportions you want. This will act as your web page frame and keeps your layout grounded in a familiar context. Now start laying out the interface. From the Mockups library, drag in the elements you need: buttons, text boxes, images marked with an X as placeholders, search bars, and navigation menus. Arrange them to outline your header, main content, and footer. Keep things simple at first, establish the structure, then refine. Using placeholders helps you focus on layout and hierarchy before committing to final assets. To edit content, double-click any element to change its text. For visual styling, use the right-hand panel to adjust colors and fonts. Choose a consistent type size for headings and body text to keep the design clear. As you position items, use the arrow keys to nudge elements for precise alignment. Small consistent spacing makes a big difference. Aim for even margins and equal gaps between related components. When your mockup looks the way you want, save your work as a Drawio file. This format keeps everything editable so you can return later to tweak layout, copy patterns to new pages, or update text quickly. If you need to share the design, go to File, then Export As, and choose the format that suits your audience. PNG or JPG for images you can drop into documents or chats, or PDF for a clean print-ready version. Confirm your export settings and save the file. That's it. Your mockup is ready, built quickly and clearly with Draw.io's Mockups library.